Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with a new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the cabin air filter, first open the hood. The cabin air filter is located here. Peel the weather strip back. If you leave part of it on, it will make the reinstalling process slightly easier. Use a flathead screwdriver and carefully apply pressure to the middle to unlock the clip. Once raised, you can pry the base out and remove the clip. Remove the foam piece in the corner. Remove the cowling panel. Unclip and remove the frame cover. Install your new AQ1150 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing towards the back of the car. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the frame cover by pressing down. Reinstall the cowling panel. Reinstall the clips. If you removed it, reinstall the foam piece. Reinstall the weather strip. Close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.